So guys, we will discussing about Toyota Hiace D4D engine knocking, especially in the morning during startup time. This is Toyota Hiace D4D diesel engine, 4-cylinder. So guys, we'll talking about Hiace engine. For example, your Hiace engine is knocking, especially in the morning during starting time. You need to bleed the system. You need to bleed the PT pump, the pump, this pump. This pump. You need to bleed in this portion. Yeah, this one. All you need is to get 17 mm open. 17 mm open. This one, you lose this one. While you losing this nut, while losing this nut, press the accelerator. Press the accelerator one half like this. Then open this one. Like this. Then close. After that, the knocking will remove. Only by doing like that, guys, your engine should be back in normal. Sometimes our engine, Hiace before the engine, knocking due to fuel knock, air lock. Sometimes from this portion, the air is going there inside, or they have some vacuum inside. That's why it become air lock. All you need, guys, only that this in style, this portion, or either this area. Because from the pump, from the PT pump, fuel pump, this is the pressure. This pipe is the main pressure. All you need is to release the pressure here or either here. Then your engine become run smoothly like this. Guys, don't forget to click subscribe in my channel. Thank you for watching. This is Toyota Hiace D4D. Toyota Hiace D4D.